Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. We've had a break in one of the buy recommendations, and that's Ethereum. So I'm going from a buy to a sell. And with that, I'm going from a buy to a neutral. So with that, let's get into it. Here's the big picture on Ethereum. This is the ETF, symbol ETHE. It tracks Ethereum, while the underlying crypto doesn't follow this exactly as crude oil. The ETF doesn't follow crude oil futures and etc., gold, etc. It is the same shape. And so this was the big pattern, suggesting huge upside, 100% potential upside in the actual crypto Ethereum. This is the ETF. It's projecting more, but I'll go with the actual cryptocurrency price projection. So, we had this move up, and then we had a nice retracement, retesting that breakout. This is a weekly chart, so each one of those bars represents a week of price action. So, this could just be some weakness before we go higher, and I'm certainly not giving up on this. But our stop was at 30. And so let's take a closer look at this. Here's the pullback, and we broke that today. Not by a heck of a lot, by 2%, but we did break it. Try to keep discipline on cutting losses short and letting winners run. And so I will revisit this, but let's take a look first of all, lastly, at the point and figure chart, which is the least subjective. It's really supply and demand. It's black or white. And so we're going to take a look at the point and figure chart. And here we are. While we still have a bullish trend line way down here, we have a sell signal, which is suggesting that the price is going to go to the $24 area, which is 20% below where we're at. So until I get some clarification, I'm just going to step aside, take my 8 or 9% loss, and I am going to wait for another entrance. If we can get some sort of a weekly reversal pattern, like a bullish hammer or something like that, that would give me a good idea where my risk is, and I know where my potential reward is. So I haven't given up on this, but I got to cut bait. And, more and more patterns are failing. Is this a big bear market that's coming? I don't know. I don't try to project that. But anyway, this has failed. And we'll keep that in mind, and we'll look to get involved again. Thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. Please like and subscribe. Have a great evening. Tell your friends, neighbors, and family. Adios.